Alright, so now we have the longest mini bike in the world and what I think is the smallest go-kart in the world. Just to give you an idea for size, here's my hand between the steering wheel, and I can touch the seat and the steering wheel at the same time. So it's pretty small. It's called the Bug, and it's got a rather unique design. I'll show you here in a second. But it has 4-inch tires in the front. It has 5-inch tires in the rear. 3-horse Tecumseh engine. It has the tether kill switch back here. And we're going to restore this thing. Now this isn't ours, this is another YouTuber, Matt Cherrington. If you haven't checked out his videos, I'll put a link to his channel in the description. And he's going to give this to his nephew and we're going to fix it for him. We're going to give it a overhaul and paint job and make it look like new and work like new. And some kid's going to be pretty happy. First off, we have the ignition switch up here, which doesn't work. The reason it doesn't work is because the wires broke off of it. So we'll replace that. We'll replace the... I don't want to call it a throttle pedal because it doesn't adjust throttle. We'll call it a go pedal. So we're going to replace the go pedal cable. And we're going to put a tether kill switch cap on here so it has the right end. And I'd like to make a new seat, but we'll see how that goes. So we'll go ahead and put the seat down here, and I'll walk over to the other side and show you. It's got a little bit of surface rust under here, but we'll take care of all that. That's no problem. Now this is what makes it unique. The clutch and the brake are hooked together, they work together. So when you push this go pedal, it pulls this cable, which pulls up on the clutch to engage the clutch and releases the brake at the same time. It doesn't have anything to do with the throttle. The throttle will work off the engine wherever you set the throttle at. This just engages the clutch and releases the brake. So as soon as you let go of that pedal, it stops, which is kind of a safety feature. So as long as your kid's not programmed to push a pedal for brakes, that should work pretty good. But it's pretty unique though. As far as I know, I've never seen anything else like this. The main problem with this thing is it has a bent axle. But we're going to go ahead and fix that. We have a new axle shaft right here. And we'll go ahead and put that in there. And get these tires fixed up, get it all painted and everything, and we'll have this thing looking like new. I'm going to go ahead and start this, and you can watch and see what this does here. So it runs pretty good. We'll just turn the throttle up there a little bit. Right up for the full. I don't know about this. This seems to be getting quite hot. I don't know if you can see this exhaust here is shooting some flames. This seemed to have gotten rather hot pretty quick. We got smoke coming out the carburetor. It might be alright. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the engine yet. We'll just leave that alone for right now. Focus on getting the rest of this cleaned up and working. And then we'll figure out the engine. Now, when Matt brought this here, the steering was froze up, completely froze up. I mean, it didn't turn at all. The wheels turned, but the steering didn't. But we got that loosened up. It's so it steers good now. We got to fix this kill switch wire up here, get a throttle, well, a go pedal cable put in here, and I believe I have a tether kill switch that we can throw on here too. Alright, we have a brand new tether kill switch here. We'll go ahead and put this on here and see if this works. So we got the tether kill switch on there. I had to pull it off. And it shuts right down, so that works. First thing we're going to do here, we're going to remove this roll cage. Alright, now the only other thing we gotta do is pull these front wheels off. They just have these little caps on them. These can sometimes be a pain in the ass to get off. And you can see what it is. It's just a little cap that goes over the shaft. Alright, so we got this thing stripped down to the bare frame. Next we gotta sand it up, get everything painted, all the parts, get the axle cut and fixed, and then we'll put it back together. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.